This demo here is for the Brewer Science CEE 200X. Alright, here's your front panel view, side panel, the other side, and the back. Just starting off with the back right here. You got this valving over here. I honestly don't know what that's for, but it's probably for the dispense. It is optional to have this on here, so we just left it on there for the customer. And then you have your whole utility connections right here chart, and here's everything down below that tells you what everything is. Basically, you got your main power and your vacuum, which is stated right here with the vacuum, and your power. It does have internet capabilities and RS-232, and these would be your dispensers right here. And you have 4 dispensers, and then you have some accessory plugs that come with it. Fuses, N2 for the dispense, and the vacuum. Starting with the top, you have your lid. I have a wafer on the chuck right now. You have your HMI panel. Just touch it, it'll come up. You have your power switch. What you do here is you're gonna go ahead and I'll show you my recipe. My recipe is set up for 1200 for 20 seconds, then 25, 35, 5000, all at 20-second intervals. And then I'd come over here to hit run. Load the process. Okay, it's going to go to start centering. So what happens is, if you look up here, you can see the wafer spinning up here. As you see, I have it already pretty much centered. But if I wanted to, I would take the lid off. It stops. If I lift the wafer up, you're going to see that the substrate present will go off. I'll put it back down. So it's sensing the wafer. Close the lid. I would center the whole thing. You can see it's still spinning around. And now that I have it centered, I'm just going to go ahead and hit start process. And here's going to indicate your time, your step, and your RPMs. So I got a 1200 RPMs. It's timing down, and from there it's going to go on to step 2, will be 2500. Now it's ramping up to 2500. And this could be instantaneously as part of the edit program where it says ramp rate. You can make it really quick. I did it for, I think I set it at 200. And now it's going to go to 3500 RPMs. And then you can hear it spinning. These are your ports to dispense. That's the end. Like I said, there's your edit. And this is your 200 RPMs per minute for your ramp. Your total, how fast you want it to speed up to, your seconds. And then you would put your dispensers in here. But this doesn't come with the dispense on here. So even though the two solenoids in the back are there present, you just need to get the dispense modules for it. And this is the end of the demo.